Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. In a world where space is a premium, smart design is the ultimate luxury. We're talking about buildings that solve problems, financial problems, density problems, and most importantly, style problems. We're about to explore an architectural solution that truly offers the best of both worlds: the contemporary duplex house design. This isn't your grandma's drab side-by-side. These designs are sleek, sophisticated, and perfect for urban environments. We'll define this contemporary style, break down the massive benefits, share design secrets for a show-stopping exterior, and count down the top 10 best contemporary duplex house designs that are setting the new standard for dual occupancy living. Let's dive in. The term contemporary duplex house designs modern describes two residential units built on a single property lot that share a common, vertical dividing wall. The term duplex refers to the dual occupancy nature of the structure, while the contemporary modern element is about the architectural language. This style rejects ornate details and embraces clean lines, geometric shapes, and flat or low-pitched roofs. Materials are used honestly, often featuring exposed concrete, large panes of glass, sleek metal accents, and natural wood cladding. Crucially, the design focuses on symmetry or deliberate asymmetry to create a unified, cohesive aesthetic that looks like one intentional, cutting-edge building, not two houses awkwardly fused together. It's an approach that maximizes living space and minimizes land footprint, delivering high-density luxury living with minimal compromise on individual style and functionality. The benefits of building a modern duplex are immense, blending financial strategy with practical lifestyle advantages. Firstly, the most compelling benefit is the financial leverage. A duplex allows you to essentially build two homes for the cost of one lot and one major construction project. You can live in one unit and rent out the other, generating passive income to aggressively pay down your mortgage or provide long-term rental revenue. This strategy offers exceptional financial flexibility and property investment growth. Secondly, duplexes offer excellent multi-generational or shared living solutions without sacrificing privacy. Families can live side by side, like parents and adult children, enjoying close proximity and shared infrastructure, like driveways or large yards, while maintaining separate, self-contained living spaces. Finally, in densely populated areas, a duplex provides a highly efficient use of land, giving homeowners access to desirable urban locations that would otherwise be economically unfeasible for a single, large dwelling. Achieving a stunning, cohesive exterior on a contemporary duplex requires a disciplined focus on materials, symmetry, and lighting. The first rule is harmonious material palette. Use the same 2 or 3 materials, like white rendered concrete, dark zinc cladding, and warm timber slats, across both units. The repetition creates visual harmony and ensures the two units look like deliberate twins, not mismatched neighbors. Next, embrace bold geometric symmetry. If the layout is mirrored, make sure all architectural elements, like window sizing and placement, are perfectly aligned. If the design is asymmetrical, ensure the offset blocks or cantilevered sections look intentional and balanced. Finally, use minimalist landscaping and strategic lighting. Low maintenance, structural landscaping, think native grasses and clean hedging, and focused exterior uplighting will highlight the clean lines and material textures after dark. This sophistication instantly elevates the duplex from functional to architectural showpiece. Prepare to see how dual occupancy can be utterly spectacular. Here are our top 10 best contemporary duplex house designs. 1. The monochrome box with timber warmth. This design uses a base of crisp white render for a clean foundation, beautifully contrasted by strategic horizontal timber cladding on the upper floor of both units. The use of natural wood introduces a much-needed layer of texture and warmth to the otherwise stark geometric forms, creating a balanced and inviting facade. 2. Symmetrical entry with vertical screening. The two front entrances are perfectly mirrored and framed by tall, vertical timber screens that provide privacy for the upper windows while maintaining a consistent aesthetic. The symmetry draws the eye to the central dividing line, highlighting the dual nature of the structure. 3. Cantilever top floor overhang. The second story of the duplex extends dramatically outwards, creating a protective overhang for the ground floor entryways and windows below. This bold cantilevered mass not only adds architectural drama but also offers passive sun shading and protection from the weather. 4. Dark cladding and light render split. The design uses a bold material split, utilizing a dark, moody gray or black cladding on one section and a light, bright render on the other, defining the units with contrasting tones. This strategic contrast helps to articulate the separate volumes and gives the building a dynamic, dimensional appearance. 5. Clean lines and flat roof minimalism. This is a pure minimalist approach featuring unadorned, rectilinear forms, flat roofs, and clean edges with very little ornamentation. The emphasis is entirely on the quality of the materials and the precision of the construction, relying on scale and proportion for its impact. 6. Integrated balcony cutouts. Instead of protruding balconies, the second floor outdoor spaces are recessed into the overall building volume, maintaining the facade's clean, geometric plane. These deep cutouts offer superior privacy and are finished with glass balustrades to keep the look light and transparent. 7. Vertical garden accent wall. One prominent wall section, often near the entrance or dividing line, is clad in a living green wall or vertical planter system. This biophilic element softens the hard lines of the contemporary design and introduces natural color and vitality to the streetscape. 8. Industrial black brick and large glass panels. The entire ground floor is built from a textured, matte black or dark gray brick, contrasting sharply with oversized, floor-to-ceiling glass windows above. This design nods to industrial modernity, providing a sense of permanence and sophisticated, urban style. 9. Subtle angled roofline variation. Instead of a completely flat roof, a slight, almost invisible angle or monopitch roof is used to provide practical drainage while adding subtle architectural flair. This minor detail prevents water pooling while still maintaining the sleek, linear look associated with contemporary design. 10. Corner lot wraparound glazing. Designed for corner blocks, the duplex utilizes continuous bands of corner windows or glazing to wrap around the visible edges, maximizing light and showcasing the interior volume. This approach allows both units to benefit from dual street frontage and an abundance of natural light. The contemporary modern duplex is more than just a housing solution, it's an architectural movement. It shows that high-density living can, and should, be synonymous with high design and smart investment. By embracing clean geometry, honest materials, and strategic symmetry, these duplexes prove that two homes on one block can look infinitely better than one. It's the smart way to build wealth and build a beautiful, modern community. So, which of these dual occupancy masterpieces caught your eye? Are you planning to build a duplex for investment, or for multi-generational family living? Let us know your thoughts and favorite design in the comments below. If this video has sparked your inner property developer, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios. We're here to help you build the best homes possible. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.